Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru WRX versus the Infiniti Q50. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value. The WRX typically comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering around 271 horsepower. The Q50, on the other hand, often boasts a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, offering up to 400 horsepower in its red sport trim. This power difference significantly impacts acceleration and driving feel. Moving inside, the WRX presents a sporty, functional interior, often featuring an 11.6-inch infotainment screen. It prioritizes driver engagement with supportive seats and clear instrumentation. The Q50 leans towards luxury, providing a more refined cabin with premium materials and a dual-screen infotainment setup. While both offer essential tech like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the Q50's ambience feels more upscale, appealing to those seeking comfort alongside performance. When it comes to driving dynamics, the WRX is renowned for its standard symmetrical all-wheel drive and sharp handling, making it a blast on winding roads. It feels connected and agile. The Q50, while powerful, offers a more composed and comfortable ride, especially in its standard rear-wheel drive configuration, with all-wheel drive available. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw, rally-inspired performance or a blend of luxury and potent acceleration for everyday use. Finally, let's talk practicality. Both are four-door sedans, offering decent passenger space and trunk capacity. The WRX provides a good balance for daily driving and weekend fun, while the Q50 offers a slightly more refined experience for passengers. Ultimately, your decision hinges on your driving style and priorities. Do you want a raw, engaging sports sedan or a luxurious, powerful cruiser? Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.